Did you know for every 100 people that land on your Shopify store, 68 of them leave? No purchase, no email, no sign up, nothing. They're just gone. And you paid for most of them to be there, right? Ads, SEO, influencers, everything. But whatever you are running, 2/3 of that money walks into the door. So here's the thing, they don't all leave for the same reason. They drop off at 3 very different stages. And if you don't know which stage is bleeding the most, you are fixing the wrong thing. Let me walk you through all 3 stages. The first drop happens immediately. About 30 to 35% of visitors bounce within the first 10 seconds. They click your ad, they land, and they're out before they even scroll. Most people blame the ad or the design, but honestly, a lot of the time, it's more basic than that. Might be slow page load, or the ad said one thing and the page shows something else, or they open it on their phone and the layout is broken. This is actually the easiest one to fix because it's almost always a technical problem, not a product problem. You speed up your page, match your ad to your landing page, and make sure mobile works. That's it. But here's what gets harder, because the people who don't bounce are the ones who actually stick around and browse. That's where the real mystery starts. So they stayed. They are looking at products, which is good, except only about 10-15% of them actually add something to the cart. The rest just browse and leave. And if you look at what they're doing on the page, it's not random. They're opening competitor tabs, reading reviews, and scrolling back to the price. They're switching between sizes or colors and never choosing one. Or they're checking your return policy. Every single one of these actions tell you why they're stuck, but your analytics don't show this. It shows product viewed or add to cart, but everything between these 2 events, completely invisible. So you can't fix what's happening here because you can't even see it. And the people who do make it past this stage are the ones who actually add to cart. You think they're safe, right? They're not. This is the one that really hurts. Someone puts a product in the cart, they're clearly interested. They have done the work and then they leave. This happens about 70% of the time. 7 out of 10 carts get abandoned, and the reason is different for every person. Some saw the total, shipping, and changed their mind. Some are waiting till payday. Some were never going to buy today and they just save for later. Each of these people needs a completely different follow-up. But what do most stores do? Same. Hey, you forgot something email. Same message, same timing, same discount code. That's why the average recovery rate stays around 10%. Not because recovery doesn't work, but because treating everyone the same doesn't work. So what does it actually look like when a store addresses all 3? The technical stuff like page speed, mobile ad consistency, that fixes the first drop. No tool needed, just do it. But for the second and the third drop, that's where Markopolo comes in. Inside Markopolo, every visitor action is tracked as events. Things like view content, view item, search, add to cart, begin checkout, abandon checkout. Instead of only seeing page views, you see the exact sequence of what each visitor actually did. See this visitor right here? They viewed a product, scrolled to reviews, went back to the product images, then left without adding to cart. Markopolo records this as an abandoned browse event. Now you know the issue isn't traffic, it's trust or product clarity on the page. That's your second drop, and now it's visible. This visitor added to cart, opened the cart twice, started checkout, checked shipping costs, and left. Markopolo detects an abandoned checkout event. So instead of sending the same reminder email everyone gets, a follow-up message is triggered based on where they exited. Different behavior, different trigger, different responses. Now this one added to cart and reached checkout in under a minute, then disappeared. The event timeline shows a fast session ending, suddenly likely an interruption. So a recovery message goes out within minutes with a direct checkout link. That's the difference. The first drop you fix yourself. The second drop you fix by finally seeing visitor actions. The third drop you fix by responding differently based on real events. So yes, 68% of your visitors leave. Most store owners see that numbers and they think, I need more traffic. They're wrong. They don't have a traffic problem. They have a keeping people problem. And the difference between one store doing $30,000 a month and another doing $100,000 a month is almost never the ads. It's what happens after the click.